How to request special meals on Delta Airlines. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to request special meals on Delta Airlines. If you don't know how to do this, I'm sure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to Delta website using www.deltaairline.com, and once you've logged in, this interface will be displayed on your screen, where at the top left corner you see the Delta icon, and you also see the book options, you see the check-in travel, you see my trips option, you see the flight status option, you see the travel info, you see the Sky Miles info option, you see the need help option, and at the top right corner you see the sign up option, you see the login option, you see the notification icon and the search icon. So you can just go through the page to have an overview of what Delta Airlines is all about. So you can go through the page and see pictures of you can just explore the home page. Okay, so now to get special meals, to request special meals on Delta Airlines, all you need to do is to click on the option Need Help just after the Sky Miles. So once you click on it, a drop down will be displayed on your screen, and you go through it thoroughly, and you can click on the Help Center option. Here, help will be rendered to you concerning your flight and how to book your flight. So the Help Center option has loaded. As you can see here, you go through the instructions thoroughly to see the one that best suits you. And if you can't find the request for special meals on Delta Airlines, you can as well contact them using this link, delta.com/vacations. So if that's what you want to do, you can as well do that, and you can also do that. So remember, what you need to do first to request special meals on Delta Airlines is that you log on to Delta website. Once you've logged on to their website, and on the interface you see several things. You can just scroll down the page to just have a general overview of what Delta Online is all about. Delta Airlines is basically about airline travels. Okay, so once you're done with that, you move to the upper part of the screen where you have the Need Help option just after the Sky Miles option and before the sign up option. So once you click on it, you'll wait for the Help Center option to page to load. Once it's loaded, you scroll down the page and you make sure that you read carefully everything that is on the page. And if you don't see the request special meals on Delta Airlines, you can contact them on this website, which says delta.com/vacation. So once you click on it, you'll be directed to a virtual agent who is going to attend to your question on how to request special meals on Delta Airlines. So instructions will be given to you. Make sure you read carefully and follow those instructions to enable you to successfully request special meals on Delta's airline. So I hope you find this video helpful. So this is simply how to request special meals on Delta's airline. Thank you.